Okay. Any further comment? Mr. McClure, yeah. Would you like to speak before we take the vote?
I'm surprised you forgot my name.
No, I didn't.
Nice to see you,
Just
young man.
looking for the list, and
Cheers.
you were on it.
The HVAC is being installed. They budgeted $350. This is for the conference center. The HVAC is being installed today or now. It's sitting on site on the ground. They're putting it up on the second level, so it won't be vandalized. They're using $350,000 of our taxpayer dollars to compete against all the other people that have venues. But you know something, I've kind of done a 180 on this whole the whole deal down there. I think it's more of the county's fault not running the expo center that has made the problem with the hotel. Seriously, we're not running the expo center appropriately, and we don't need to have an outside guy running it. Visit Topeka should be housed in the expo center, and we renovated the expo center inappropriately. We started from the outside in, you started from the inside out, and you change the sheets out of cash flow, and you renovate them one by one out of cash flow. I mean, it's very simple. You can create a vapor barrier on every floor, and you can renovate it. Just go down, start at the top, work down. You can renovate the hotel rooms. And here's what you got to start looking for. The hotels trade. I've talked to a lot of hotel brokers over my lifetime. Hotels trade in Kansas right now at 3 times revenue. So you can start forecasting what you're going to get. And I'm telling you, if I own that hotel today, I'd fix that chiller, because the deferred maintenance is what's going to be the rub on that hotel and selling it. You're going to, none of you would have ever got elected to office if you said, well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go out and buy a hotel. That's part of my plan. And, go door to door with that. Sell that door to door. It doesn't work. And that's what I'm hearing door to door about. How are you going to get us out of it? What are you going to do to help us? Well, then I really started thinking about that a lot. And I really think it's the counties. It's not all your fault. I think you got, not one person on this committee made that idea, made it happen. You need to start looking who talked you into it. And how come they're not coming up with the cash to help you today? I want to talk about the riverfront real quick, because the riverfront's the next hotel in this community. It is. It's coming down the pike. I saw my friend Greg Schwartz, and after the last talk at the Overland Station, I'm looking at all this money that they want to spend there. But the riverfront's the next hotel. Don't get sucked into that. Have somebody build a locker for the kayaks. Have somebody build the dam, but make private people do it. No more tax dollars. We can't fix everything. Let's fix our streets. Let's have public safety, clean water. Anyway, it was nice to be able to tell Greg Schwartz, you know something, pal? Over the years, this community has looked at me about my past behavior, because that guy never called me back, called him 5 times and 4 or 5 emails.